service non-union mechanical contractor, providing commercial heating, ventilation, air conditioning industry services, including system design, installations, retrofits, maintenance. With over 20 years in business, we're well experienced in new construction, retail, commercial properties, hospitals, theaters, projects ranging from 10,000 to 7 million. Our competitive pricing model developed over years leads us to a steady increase in business, and as a result, in 2019, our company was nominated by Inc. 5000 as one of the fastest growing and most successful companies in America. We built strong teams and resources, helping clients during reconstruction phase, project management, as well as execution and closeouts. So please reach out with the mechanical HVAC scope with an invitation to bid or estimating, and I will provide info in the chat.